Companions, perhaps you've never encountered these odd-looking creatures, yet they harbor some remarkable traits that will undoubtedly leave you amazed. Allow me to introduce you to a handful of such extraordinary animals. The creature known as a sloth thrives both in aquatic environments and on terra firma. It propels itself thrice as swiftly in water compared to its pace on land and can suspend breathing underwater for upwards of 40 minutes. This being is celebrated for its sluggish pace and commonly viewed as the epitome of laziness. Researchers have unearthed evidence that there once existed species that could navigate the vastness of the ocean and others that wandered our planet akin to colossal mammoths. And these species perished eons ago. Can you envision such stout-legged fowls? It might surprise you that these robust-legged chickens tip the scales at more than 6 kilograms. Found in the Khao Chow district, a mere 30 kilometers from Hanoi, Vietnam, these massive-legged birds are of the Dong Tao variety. The hens are white, while the roosters come in various colors. Due to their gigantic size, they are also known as dragon chickens. Have you ever seen them? Let us know in the comments.
Lobsters are aquatic creatures that seemingly have no longevity ceiling. Indeed, researchers postulate that lobsters don't succumb to death from aging. Rather, as they mature, they grow more robust. It is posited by some that lobsters meet their end solely through external harm or sickness. Their remarkable lifespan is attributed to a peculiar enzyme known as telomerase, which distinctively mends their genetic material, thereby granting their cells the ability to renew indefinitely. The anatomy of a lobster is quite peculiar too. A lobster houses its brain in its throat, sports teeth in its stomach, and has its kidneys located in its claws. Isn't the lobster's body structure amazing? They are also called jhinga in Hindi. Maybe you have seen them. Let us know in the comments. This peculiar animal can be found on Madagascar, a sizable island situated off the southeast shores of the African continent. This being bears a daunting resemblance to a conglomerate of different creatures, sporting ears and teeth akin to those of a rodent, a goat-like head, wings with lengthy digits similar to a bat's, and eyes that mirror a lion's gazes. Primarily nocturnal, this creature dwells in rocky shelters. It spans about half a meter in length and tips the scales close to 3 kilograms. Discovered in 1780 by the French adventurer and naturalist Pierre Sonnerat, who then exhibited it in Paris, it was regarded for the subsequent 8 decades as the sole representative of its species. Yet in the year 1960, a significant number of these creatures were found, expanding the known population. Have you ever encountered a wide array of vibrant, exquisite and lustrous fish? Certainly you may have. However, it's less common to come across fish that are less visually appealing, whose aesthetics are more unconventional and appear somewhat unclean. Maybe you haven't encountered such a specimen. Allow me to present to you, my friends, what could be considered the least attractive fish. Dwelling in the ocean's profound depths, it remains obscure to many, sparking disbelief in its existence among those who haven't observed it. If you find this hard to accept, take a moment to observe closely. Behold, it is right here before us. Friends, which of these animals have you seen in reality? Do let us know by commenting, and if you liked the video, make sure to like,